Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you what if analysis. In the what if analysis we are going to learn goal seek. In order to see what if analysis, first we need to come in data, and definitely what do we have? We have what if analysis. And what if analysis, what do we have? We have goal seek. So what is the work of goal seek? For example, my mother said to me, Naveed, go and bring two two eggs and 1 kg milk, and she gave me 100 rupees. So for example, I went and I say that I need 2 eggs and 1 kg milk, and when I asked money, so he told me that you have to give 102. So I said, yeah, I have just 100. So definitely I will think that which thing is not very important, which thing is not very important. So with the help of goal seek, I can get 100 rupees. How? See, first I will select the total amount, this is 102, and definitely I will go in what if analysis, and what do we have? We have goal seek. And definitely first I select this cell, and then I have to give how much money do I have. For example, I have just 100, and I say that by changing cell means is asking that which cell or which thing is not very important. I say, yeah, milk is not very important. And after this, what I say, what I do, I will click on OK, and it OK, and as you can see that now in the place of 80 I have 78, and now I have a total amount, definitely 100. Getting me? So with the help of goal seek, we can get our total amount, or for example our desired amount. For example, before I had 100, and definitely now I also have 100. Getting me? You may be thinking, sir, what is the need to use goal seek? If definitely I have brain, I can calculate by myself. So what's the need to use goal seek? Here the need of goal seek, getting me, is too much. Getting, for example, if you are running a whole industry, and definitely if you are making something and you want to cut the price, and you have, for example, you are running automobile industry, so you will think that which part is not very important. Okay, so with the help of goal seek, you can cut down the price. Getting me? So this is the work of goal seek. So what did we learn? We learned goal seek in what if analysis, and definitely in data menu. I hope you've understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah fi amanillah, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.